Hindi ko masabi na Shopee budol ito mga mare kasi napakamura lang naman ito. At isa pa bagay na bagay ito sa mga bata natin na maliliit, especially the toddlers. Para naman hindi lagi nakatutok sa gadget, eto na nga at mag-browse na lang tayo sa Shopee. Pero syempre dahil sa hirap ng buhay ngayon at napakamamahal ng bilihin, ang pupuntahan lang natin ay talagang dapat yung kailangan lang natin. At di na nga ako magpapatumpik-tumpik pa mga mare, ito nga ang sinasabi ko ay ang Alphabet Digital Toys for Kids. At ito nga ay ang wooden puzzle na mayroong available na shapes, letters, and numbers. Na talaga naman napaka-useful sa ating mga kiddo, especially for 12 months and above. At tingnan nyo mga mare, napaka-attractive ng kulay nito at talaga namang maa-attract yung ating mga ticketing. At ang isa pa sa nagustuhan ko nito mga mare is napaka-lightweight lang at napaka-safe hawakan ng mga bata. At maniniwala ka ba kung sasabihin kong ito ay 39 pesos lang? O ang link mga mare nasa caption na, pakiclick na lang.
Let's take it from the top now. Here we go.
What number is that?
And it was 3,
Nine! Galing ah.
5, 1, 1, 2, 3, 11.
Number 14.
Which one, Peter? 1, 2, 3, 11.
Kalinga!
4, that's it.
That's
2, 3, 4. Let me switch
11,
things somehow.
no.
It's got mixed up.
No.
Aha.
No.
Okay. Now, I think we've got it all together. Here we go. This time I got it for sure. So here we go.
Galing ah.
2, 3, 4, 5.
This one. This one.
What's that, Peter?
It's
7. Oh, not 7. The 7 and the 1 are mixed up. Oh, there you go.
There you go. There's the number 11.
Put the 1 there. The 7 there. That's how it's supposed to go. See? Like
17.
This is very, very easy.
Oops.
Okay. This will be a piece of cake. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 9,
Here.
7.